Hello, students. Welcome back to the Super Memory for Schools program. My name is Ngap Ang. I'm very happy to be with you in this lesson. Today, we're going to learn the topic Walk to School, Sounds and Letters. What letters do we have today? Let's find out. Okay, I would like to introduce my new friend. Her name is Sue. Hello, Sue. Welcome to my class. And now, let's start with a song to review the letters. Are you ready? Let's sing together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Do you remember the next letters? Yes, students. These are letters W and X. Today, we're going to learn how to say and pronounce the letters W and X. Let's start with the capital and small letters. This is the capital letter W, and the next one is lowercase. Okay? You listen.
Letter W. W.
Wa. Wa. It's your turn. I can't hear you. Say again. Good job, students. Now, what do we have for letter W? Let's see.
W. Woman. W. Woman.
Wa. Woman. Wa, woman. Wa, woman. She's a woman. Okay, the next one.
W. Wall.
Wa, wall. Wa, wall. Wa, wall. It's a wall. Excellent, students. And the next one.
W. Wet.
Wa, wet. Wa, wet. Wa, wet. It's wet. Okay, students, let's practice with the letter W. In this game, you have to guess what's behind the bricks. Now, look carefully and answer my questions. What's this? Do you remember? Yes. Wa, wet. Wa, wet. It's wet. Good job, students. How about this one? What's this? Can you guess it? Excellent. Wa, woman. Wa, woman. She's a woman. And the next one. What's this, students? Can you find the answer? Good job. Wa, wall. Wa, wall. It's a wall. Wow, awesome job. Okay, students, we will move to the next letter, X. Now, let's see. This is the capital letter X. And the next one is lowercase. Let's listen.
Letter X. X.
X. X. Now, it's your turn. Wow, excellent. You have a good voice, students. So now, what do we have for the letter X?
X. Box.
X. box, x, x, box, x, x, box. It's a box. Okay, and the next one. Listen.
X, fox,
X, fox, x, x, fox, x, x, fox. It's a fox. And the last one. Listen.
X,
ox,
X, ox, x, x, ox, x, x, ox. It's an ox. Now, let's practice with the letter X. You will look at the picture and these letters here. Please find and match the letters to answer the question. What's this? Are you ready? What's the first picture? What's this? Can you find the answer? Yes, fox. X, x, fox. X, x, fox. It's a fox. Okay, students, how about this one? Very easy, right? Yes, x, x, ox. X, x, ox. It's an ox. And the last one. Can you guess it? Yes, very good, students. X, x, box. X, x, box. It's a box. Good job, students.